very susceptible to pest and disease attack during propagation. Cuts in tissue, whether made in preparing a cutting or dividing a clump of perennials, are susceptible to infection. Young seedlings are weak. They have less resistance to disease than large, well-established adult plants. Workbenches, walls, floors, cold frames, propagation beds, and any other places where propagation material or young plants are to be found should be kept neat, tidy and clean. Soil or potting media may make these areas look dirty at times, but that's okay as long as those materials are free of disease. We try to keep everything in the nursery or the propagation area clean. And the way to do this is to wash everything down fairly frequently, certainly before you do any propagation. Wash anything you suspect might become infected with a weak solution of household bleach. Benches, floors, walls, tools and even pots can be washed with bleach. Even cuttings are sometimes dipped in a weak solution of bleach, usually around 1% in strength. Propagation materials should be handled carefully at all times to minimise damage. When taking cuttings, the lower half to 3/4 of the leaves should be carefully removed, being careful not to strip away or damage the bark or stem of the cutting. You may need to cut the leaves away with a sharp knife or pair of secateurs. Seeds with a fleshy coating may need to have the coating removed, being careful not to damage the seed while doing so. Once trays or pots of seeds or cuttings have been prepared, they are often drenched with a fungicide solution to help minimise fungal problems, particularly rots on new roots,